Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering the power of mindfulness, finding balance and focus in a busy world. So let's jump in. In the vortex of our modern lives, where the noise and demands can often leave us feeling like jugglers in the circus, finding equilibrium can seem like an elusive quest. It's like you're an acrobat teetering on a tightrope, but instead of dropping plates, you're juggling responsibilities, expectations, and the ever intangible sense of balance. Our fast paced existence resembles a busy marketplace, with thoughts and tasks insisting on attention. Amid this chaos, how do we find the calm eye of the storm? Before you condemn this and dismiss it as another fad, hold on to your skepticism for just a moment. We're not here to sprinkle pixie dust and chant mantras. Maybe another time, we're delving deep into the realm of mindfulness, where the art of presence joins the science of awareness. Imagine this as your personal dojo, where the art of mastering the mind takes center stage. So gather your mental nunchucks and prepare to uncover the secrets of this ancient practice that's as relevant today as it was when first labeled. Let's summarize. We are practicing, embracing, and harnessing the power of mindfulness to find balance and focus in our busy world. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Embrace the present. Anchor yourself in the now, unearthing the treasures of the moment. 2. Infuse mindfulness. Integrate mindfulness into your daily routine, building a mindful metropolis. And 3. Foster compassion. Cultivate self compassion, tending to your inner garden with care. As you embark on this mindful odyssey, remember you're not just navigating life, you're co creating it. Onward to serenity. These were some steps and checkpoints on the power of mindfulness, finding balance and focus in a busy world. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering discovering your passion, pursuing meaningful work. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.